For billions of years, the moon has been Earth's silent companion, quietly orbiting our planet and shaping life in ways most people never even think about. It's easy to overlook, just a glowing circle in the night sky, but if the moon were to vanish suddenly, the consequences would be profound, dramatic, and surprisingly fast. The first noticeable change would be the disappearance of the tides as we know them. The moon's gravitational pull is the main force behind the ebb and flow of Earth's oceans. Without it, the tides wouldn't stop entirely, but they would weaken drastically, reduced to a mere fraction of their former strength, driven only by the distant pull of the sun. This would disrupt coastal ecosystems that have evolved around precise tidal rhythms. Creatures like crabs, shellfish, and seabirds would find their carefully tuned life cycles thrown into chaos. Fish that use tides to migrate or spawn would struggle, and massive food webs could collapse, setting off chain reactions that ripple through both marine and terrestrial life. As Earth's tides fade, another, darker change would settle in, quite literally. The moon provides a significant amount of light at night. Without it, the darkness would be complete, especially in places far from city lights. Human sleep cycles, which are influenced by moonlight more than we realize, could become disordered. Animals that depend on the moon for navigation or hunting would be left disoriented. Predators might become less efficient, prey more vulnerable, and natural balance would begin to falter. But the most catastrophic changes wouldn't happen immediately. They would unfold over years, even millennia. That's because the moon does more than control the tides, it also helps stabilize Earth's axial tilt. Our planet is tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees, and it's that tilt that gives us predictable seasons. The moon acts as a gravitational anchor, keeping that tilt relatively constant. Without the moon, Earth would start to wobble over time. The axis could shift wildly, even swinging as far as 85 degrees, turning the planet on its side. If that happened, the consequences would be extreme. A tilted Earth could see one pole constantly facing the sun, plunging half the planet into endless daylight while the other endures eternal darkness. Ice caps would melt or expand unpredictably, sea levels would fluctuate, and global climates would become erratic and violent. Summers could become unbearably hot, winters brutally cold, and weather systems would spiral into instability. Entire regions could become uninhabitable. And if you're enjoying this deep dive into the science behind our moon's influence, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more jaw-dropping space and science content. You won't believe what we're exploring next. Meanwhile, the moon's absence would also disrupt the length of our days. The gravitational dance between Earth and Moon has been gradually slowing Earth's rotation for billions of years, lengthening days little by little. Without the Moon, this braking effect would stop. Over long timescales, Earth's rotation could speed up, shortening days and nights. That might not sound too bad, until you consider that even a few minutes less daylight or rest each day could throw ecosystems, agriculture, and even human health into long-term disarray. From ancient tides to modern timekeeping, the moon has shaped life on Earth in deep, invisible ways. Its sudden disappearance would be more than an astronomical event, it would be a planetary emergency. While we might not feel every consequence right away, the slow unraveling of Earth's delicate balance would be unstoppable. Civilization might survive, but the world we know would be gone, replaced by a darker, colder, and far more chaotic Earth.